Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel Boost Academy, and I'm a YouTube marketer and SEO expert. If you're struggling to grow your channel, get more views, or reach the right audience, then you're in the right place. Many creators spend hours making amazing content, but still don't get the views they deserve. Why? Because without proper SEO, the YouTube algorithm won't push your videos to the right people. And that's exactly where I can help. As a YouTube SEO expert, I optimize your video titles, descriptions, tags, thumbnails, and even hashtags, so your content ranks higher, gets discovered faster, and attracts a loyal audience. I've worked with different niches including tech, lifestyle, halal content, and more, helping creators grow their subscribers and revenue. If you want your channel to grow faster and smarter, let's work together. I'm currently offering a free trial optimization for one of your videos, so you can see the results before you decide. Envelope with arrow. Just reach out to me today, and let's turn your YouTube channel into a growth machine. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you want more tips about YouTube growth and SEO. I'll see you in the next video.